Welcome back. Today, we're targeting your core with 5 powerful equipment-free exercises you can do right at home. A strong core isn't just about abs, it's your body's powerhouse, supporting every movement and protecting you from injury. This routine will help you build muscle definition, boost strength, and improve posture. No gym? No problem. Grab your mat and some water. Let's get started and feel that burn together. Ready? Let's go. First up, explosive plank jacks. Start in a high plank, hands under shoulders, back flat, core tight. Jump your feet out wide, then back together like a horizontal jumping jack. Keep your hips steady and your core braced. Move quickly, but with control, speed, and form matter. Feel your abs, obliques, and shoulders working. Breathe steadily, don't hold your breath. We're going for 45 seconds, then a quick rest. If you need to slow down, focus on perfect form. Your core is the anchor, keep it strong. This move builds explosive power for sports and daily life. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push through, keep that core tight. Next, let's build deep core strength and stability. This is crucial for everything from everyday movements to athletic performance. A strong core acts as the foundation for all your movements, protecting your spine and improving your balance. We'll be focusing on exercises that not only strengthen your abdominal muscles but also improve your overall core stability. We'll start with the dead bug. This exercise is fantastic for learning to control your core and maintain a stable spine while moving your limbs. It might look simple, but it requires a lot of focus and control. It's a great way to build a solid foundation for more challenging core exercises. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, ensuring your shins are parallel to the floor. Think of it as creating a tabletop position with your legs. This is your starting point, and it's important to get it right to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Arms straight up, reaching towards the ceiling. Your wrists should be directly above your shoulders. This arm position helps to further engage your core and stabilize your upper body throughout the movement. Press your lower back into the floor, no arching. This is the most important part of the exercise. You need to actively engage your abdominal muscles to flatten your lower back against the mat. Imagine you're trying to close the gap between your back and the floor. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor, extending them away from your body. The key here is to maintain that lower back contact with the floor. Only lower as far as you can without your back arching, keeping your core stable. This means resisting the urge to let your back arch or your hips rock. Your core should be working hard to keep everything still and controlled. Think of it as an anti-extension exercise. Return to start, bringing your arm and leg back to the initial position, then switch sides, lowering your left arm and right leg. Continue alternating sides, focusing on maintaining that core stability throughout the entire movement. Move slowly and with control, avoid any jerky or rushed movements. The slower you go, the more you'll challenge your core and the more effective the exercise will be. This is all about resisting movement. You're not trying to see how far you can lower your limbs, you're trying to prevent your spine from moving. The resistance to movement is what builds strength and stability. Focus on keeping your lower back pressed down. If you feel it starting to lift, that's a sign that you're losing control and need to adjust your form. If your back arches, reduce your range of motion. It's better to do a smaller movement with perfect form than a larger movement with poor form. Quality over quantity is key here. Exhale as you lower, engaging your core muscles even further, and inhale as you return to the starting position. Proper breathing helps to stabilize your spine and improve your overall control. Pull your belly button toward your spine for maximum activation. This helps to engage your transverse abdominis, which is the deepest layer of your abdominal muscles and plays a crucial role in core stability. This exercise targets your deepest core muscles, including the transverse abdominis, multifidus, and pelvic floor muscles. These muscles work together to stabilize your spine and protect it from injury. For a strong, supported spine, a strong core is essential for maintaining good posture, preventing back pain, and improving your overall movement efficiency. We're going for 45 seconds, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form and engaging your core throughout the entire set. Don't worry about how many repetitions you can do. Focus on doing them correctly. Ready? Let's begin, slow and controlled. Remember to breathe and focus on keeping your lower back pressed against the floor. Engage your core and resist any unwanted movement. Feel that stability building. With each repetition, you're strengthening your core and improving your ability to control your movements. Keep focusing, keep breathing, and keep that lower back pressed down. You're doing great. Quick break. Let's talk about a common core training mistake. Relying only on crunches targets just one muscle and neglects the rest of your core. Your core includes your obliques, transverse abdominis, and lower back. Focusing only on abs can lead to poor posture and even back pain. True core strength is balanced, front, sides, and back. That's why moves like planks and dead bugs are so effective. Variety is key, include rotation, anti-rotation, and stability exercises. Don't forget your lower back. Think of your core as a 360-degree powerhouse. Avoid the crunch-only trap for better, faster results. Build a strong, stable, functional core. Now let's get back to the workout. Ready for the next move? Alright, let's get into it. Time for bicycle crunches. But we're going to make sure we do them right. This isn't about speed, it's about precision and engaging the right muscles. We want to really feel the burn and maximize the effectiveness of each and every repetition. So let's focus on form and technique as we dive into this fantastic core exercise. First things first, let's get into the starting position. Lie comfortably on your back, making sure your spine is aligned. Now, gently place your hands lightly behind your head. Avoid pulling or straining your neck. Your hands are there for support, not to yank you up. Keep your elbows wide, allowing for a full range of motion. Next, bring your knees up into tabletop. This means your thighs are perpendicular to the floor, and your knees are bent at a perfect 90-degree angle. Engage your core to maintain this position, ensuring your lower back stays in contact with the mat. This is crucial for protecting your spine and maximizing core engagement. Now gently lift your head and shoulders off the mat. It's a small lift, focusing on engaging your abdominal muscles. Avoid straining your neck. The movement should come from your core. Keep your gaze directed towards your knees, maintaining a neutral spine. From this position, extend your right leg out at about a 45-degree angle. As you extend that right leg, twist your right elbow toward your left knee, bringing them as close as you comfortably can. Focus on rotating your torso, engaging your obliques. Now, switch sides, moving slowly and with control. This isn't a race, it's about feeling the burn in your core. Pause briefly at the peak of each twist, really squeezing those abdominal muscles. This pause is crucial to really feel your obliques work and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Throughout the entire exercise, consciously keep your lower back pressed firmly into the mat. If you notice your back lifting off the mat, it's a sign that you're extending your leg too far. In that case, don't extend your leg as far. Remember, the key is core control, not speed or the number of reps. Quality over quantity always. Coordinate your breathing with your movements. Exhale forcefully as you twist, and then inhale deeply as you switch to the other side. With every repetition, really focus on engaging your core. Imagine you're wringing out your midsection, squeezing every last bit of energy out of those muscles. This dynamic exercise is a powerhouse, targeting your abs, obliques, and even your legs all at once, making it a super efficient way to work your entire core. We're going to push ourselves for 45 seconds, but remember, quality reps are the name of the game. Alright, get ready to feel the burn. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Dig deep and feel that burn. You've got this. Keep those movements controlled, keep breathing, and keep squeezing those abs. Let's make every second count. Alright team, let's crank up the intensity and level up with V-ups. This is where we really start to sculpt that core. Get ready to feel the burn as we target those abdominal muscles with precision and power. To get started, lie flat on your back, extending your arms overhead, and keeping your legs straight out in front of you. This is your launch pad, the foundation for a killer core exercise. Make sure you're comfortable and ready to engage those muscles. Now this is crucial. Press your lower back firmly into the floor. This eliminates any arch and ensures that your core is doing the work, not your back. Maintaining this connection is key to preventing injury and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. As you exhale, engage your core and simultaneously lift your legs and upper body off the ground. It's a coordinated movement, a symphony of muscle engagement. Think about drawing your belly button towards your spine as you lift. The goal is to reach your hands toward your feet, aiming to form a perfect V shape with your body. This requires flexibility, strength, and control. Don't worry if you can't reach your toes at first, just focus on the movement and the engagement. Throughout the movement, try to keep your legs and back as straight as possible. This maximizes the stretch and contraction in your abdominal muscles. It's a challenging position, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As you lower back down, do it with control. Resist the urge to flop back onto the floor. This controlled descent is just as important as the lift, as it helps to build strength and endurance. Now, if the full V-up is proving too tough right now, don't worry. We have a fantastic modification for you. Try tuck-ups. This is a great way to build up the necessary strength and coordination. For tuck-ups, simply bend your knees as you lift your upper body. This reduces the lever arm and makes the exercise a bit easier. It's still a fantastic core workout, and it's a great stepping stone to the full V-up. Regardless of which variation you choose, always focus on using your core muscles to initiate and control the movement. Think about squeezing your abs as you fold your body. This is where the magic happens. And remember, keep your neck neutral throughout the exercise. Avoid straining or craning your neck forward. A relaxed neck will allow you to focus on your core engagement. This move is a powerhouse, hitting both your upper and lower abs for serious core strength and definition. Get ready to feel those muscles working. Alright, we're going for a solid 45 seconds of work here. That's plenty of time to really challenge your core and push your limits. So, take a moment to choose your variation, V-ups or tuck-ups. Listen to your body and select the option that feels right for you today. Embrace the challenge, push through the discomfort. This is where you get stronger, both physically and mentally. Remember why you started and keep pushing forward. Every single rep counts towards building a stronger, more resilient core. Focus on quality over quantity, and make each movement deliberate and controlled. Okay, get ready to fire up those abs. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Let's crush this set and feel the burn. Lift with power and intention and then lower back down with complete control. Don't let gravity do the work for you. You've got this. Keep pushing, keep breathing, and keep believing in yourself. You are stronger than you think. That's a wrap. You crushed this core workout. Take a moment to feel that progress and strength. Remember to cool down and stretch your abs and back. Consistency is key. Add this routine to your week for best results. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, share, and comment your favorite move. Don't forget to subscribe for more workouts. See you next time. Stay strong.